roll, he gets a chance to roll the dice. If you roll a C, you put $1 in the center. If you roll an L, you give $1 to the person on your left. If you roll an R, you put $1 on the right. Even if you're out of money,
You just roll one?
no, you're gonna roll all three as long as you have $3. But if you down to 1, you roll 1. If you're down to 2, you roll 2. Even if you're not in the money, if you don't have money, you keep playing because people will be giving you money. The person at the end of the game that has the person at the end of the game that has money, the last person that has money wins the pot. I know, Talon's been winning. We've been practicing, haven't we? So Talon gets to go first.
Yeah, give it to me.
Okay, we gotta wait for Uncle Mike and Pops.
Mike, Daddy, I wish you.